Brendan Greene here at Sarchione Ford, bringing this 2017 Toyota Sienna XLE. KD, this one's for you. Let me know what you think. KD, this one's for you. 2017 Toyota Sienna XLE front wheel drive. Only 18,000 miles on the odometer, so it's barely broken in, plus still under full factory warranty. It is super clean. You have a cyber gray exterior with a light gray interior, leather seats, and seating for 8. I know with Scott just buying his Toyota Corolla, I thought a Sienna would be a good match to make the Dickerson family a Toyota family. Reach out to your boy BG here at Sarchione Ford, 330-510-9613. Thank you for the opportunity to earn your business and trust. I hope this is the right van for you. The interior of the Sienna is decked out. You're seeing it before we send it to detail, but you have power everything, power seats, heated driver and passenger leather, Bluetooth audio, and cruise control all on your steering wheel. It has 3 climate controls for the front, 2, and then rear as well. Obviously automatic transmission. It's got the in-tune system, which you can connect to your phone for the nav. Power mooner, home link or garage door openers on your mirror. Both doors are power sliding. Again, seating for 8. Tons of room and tons of storage in the back when the seats are up. If you have any questions, please do not hesitate to give me a call, 330-510-9613.